Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Flutter SDK, editor, and emulators. First, run Flutter Doctor to identify missing pieces and fix them now. Then create a new project with Flutter, create my app, and open that folder in your IDE. Once done, connect a device or start an emulator, and run Flutter Run to verify the default app launches. Make sure to keep the terminal visible. It tells you build errors and missing licenses so you can resolve them immediately. Now you start building. You'll structure lib into clear folders and update main. Dart to set up material app and initial routes. Use stateful widget for parts that change, and adopt provider or riverpod to lift state out of widgets so your UI stays simple and testable. Once you have feature widgets, connect services for APIs or local storage and wire models to widgets. After that, run hot reload frequently to iterate rapidly and verify that state and navigation behave as expected. Finish by polishing configuration and building a release artifact. Update app icons, package identifiers, and version numbers, then run Flutter Build App or Flutter Build IPA for distribution. Test on real devices and use the profiler to catch jank and memory issues. If a build fails, run Flutter Analyze and read the error. Often it's a missing entitlement, signing issue, or a plugin version mismatch. Finally, add integration tests to automate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.